Gorgeous 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home featuring a walk-in pantry and butler's pantry, open kitchen and living area with tons of windows and natural light. Primary bedroom suite with 3 other bedrooms upstairs with a conveniently located laundry room and loft area perfect for working from home. The main level welcomes you with a flex room that can be used as a 5th bedroom/playroom or office, a huge drop zone and half bath. This home has an amazing flow, vinyl privacy fenced backyard with side gate, garage storage, newly installed carpet, and freshly painted entry, sitting and hall areas. This home is perfect for entertaining, relaxing, a nice warm bath in the garden tub or enjoy the playground, front porch, or back patio. For more information or a private showing, contact Naomi Race 704-774-9710 www.smilesandkeys.com Realty 1 Group Select.